Hello and welcome back to the Killer Keyboard channel, and on today's episode we have the Enjoy PBT ABS Voodoo to have a look at, kindly sent from Keybs and Cables. The name is a little confusing, but this set is made from ABS plastic with the double shot process. It is priced at 112 Aussie dollars, which I'll link in the description below. I'll be comparing this set to different cherry profile sets, comparing the sound, feel and quality. That's enough talking, let's jump straight into the sound comparison. First up we have the Enjoy PBT ABS Voodoo, and the spacebar is almost 100% straight. You can see some lifting when I tap on these sides, but it is pretty good. The GMK spacebar is fairly warped, quite a bit of movement from the side taps. Next we have the dummy key, which is 100% straight, how spacebars should be. And to my surprise, the Akko spacebar is also straight. And we have the worst performance from the GMK clones. Now comparing the font, important to mention that the GMK clone is the only set that uses dye sublimation, while the rest are double shotted. The A font from the EPBT Voodoo is noticeably thinner than the rest. GMK and dummy key is on the thicker side. The font is really crispy with no observable discrepancies to my eyes. Flipping these onto the back side, we can see that the double shot process on the EPBT Voodoo doesn't fill all the way to the perimeter of the base. This might be the reason why they sound high pitched, as the other keycaps do fill to the brim and have a denser sound. The thickest part of the EPBT Voodoo measures 1.5mm and the thinner part measures 0.8mm. Your standard GMK set is 1.3 and the dummy key is at 1.3. The GMK clone is 1.4 and the Akko is also at 1.4. We can also see the different double shot processes as they result in different patterns, but I'm not entirely sure if that makes a difference. And for the GMK, we can see the nipple or indent from the manufacturing process. We don't tend to see it, but it is there on the back side. The difference with the EPBT Voodoo is that the nipple is on the bottom side of the keycap, making it less visible. Moving on to the feel of the keycap, GMK looks more matte and feels more slippery, while the EPBT Voodoo is more shiny but feels more grippy. The texture of the keycap is also more visible. The domikey is also more matte looking but feels less grippy than the GMK. I would say it's in the midpoint between GMK and the EPBT Voodoo. No texture visible on the domikey. The Akko is pretty similar to the domikey in grip and finish. Lastly, the PBT clones have a chalk-like feel that is quite slippery. Okay, now so let's talk about the price. The clones were the cheapest, costing $55. The Akko set cost $90. The Enjoy PBT Voodoo cost $112. The domikey all-in-one kit cost $180, and the GMK Honors costed $146 with the group buy price, but if you were to buy the in-stock currently, it is $200. I think the Enjoy PBT Voodoo set is a decent price that is competitive against the big dog GMK. What I like about this set is the consistency and the difference in sound profile compared to other keycaps. Take a quick listen to this clackfest with the Wind X65 paired up with the Gateron CJs. There is a green undertone with this set, so keep that in mind if you're trying to pair it up with the black case. This set is purchasable from Keybs and Cable right now. There will be an affiliate link in the description below. There is also a cheeky 10% discount on the Keybs and Cable Discord channel, so head over there for the code. I hope you guys liked this review, and I'll see you on the next one.